Boys, this is a Goldmode878. You're standing next to this random person.
This is Goldmode878 here.
Excited to see what happens. This is my first time fighting at this high school. It's gonna be cool. What you thinking, Marcos?
I'm ready to see some fights.
What about you, Papa? What do you think?
Awesome.
We got everyone chilling over here.
I'm just recording.
Mr. Patrick, would you like to say something for the camera?
Look at this dude.
Hey guys, how's it going? Arthur's a phenomenal athlete. He's got a great thing going on here with his YouTube channel. He's going to get down today. I'm really excited to see him do some work today. Very talented from an awesome gym, Main Event Muay Thai in Sacramento, California. All right, with my friend Crulino Enriquez. Really good people. We've got a lot of great people here at this event, and it's going to be really something that really is changing USA Muay Thai for the better. Swaddy Cup.
Oh, that was cool. You got new medals and everything.
All right.